Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to fill in your address in Google AdSense. This is an essential step for receiving payments as AdSense needs your accurate address details to process your earnings correctly. Let's walk through this together. First, open your browser and navigate to adsense.google.com. Once you're on the page, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're using the correct Google account that's associated with your AdSense profile, as this is where all your payment information is stored. After you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the left side of the screen where you'll see the main navigation panel. Look for the option labeled Payment and click on it. This section is your hub for everything related to how you get paid, from payment methods to transaction history. Within the payment section, you'll now see several options. Click on Payment Info. This is where AdSense stores all your critical payment details, including your address, payment methods, and tax information. Give it a moment to load, especially if you have a slower internet connection or if AdSense is processing data in the background. Once the page is fully loaded, look for a button or link that says Manage Settings. Click on this to access the editable fields where you can update your information. This is the gateway to modifying any details that AdSense uses to identify and pay you. Now scroll down through the page until you find a section labeled Payment Profile. This is where your personal and address information lives. Under Payment Profile, you'll see various fields, and one of them will be labeled Address. Right next to it, there's a small pencil icon, which is the Edit button. Click on that pencil icon to begin updating your address. A form will appear where you can input your address details. Start by entering your address line 1. This should be your primary street address, including your house or building number and street name. Be as accurate as possible here, as this is where important documents and payments might be sent. Next, if applicable, input your suburb. Not all regions use suburbs, so if this doesn't apply to you, you can leave it blank or skip it. After that, move on to entering your city, postal code, and province or state. Make sure these details match your official address exactly, as discrepancies can cause delays in payment processing or verification issues. Once you've carefully filled in all the required fields and double-checked everything for accuracy, scroll down to the bottom of the form. You'll see a Save button. Click on it to confirm and store your address information. And that's it. Your address is now updated in Google AdSense, and you're all set to receive payments without any issues. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.